Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Benelli Tom. Right, so this video we're going to talk about SAE connectors to charge your battery. An SAE connector, most battery chargers nowadays come with these, and that is an SAE connector. And a lot of you need this to charge your battery on your bike, and the one that comes with it is very short. So there is a way around it, okay, and to make it easier and personalize it for yourself. So on eBay you can simply put SAE connectors in and you can buy them separate like that, okay. So obviously you get a couple of them, and all you do with some ordinary wire, obviously make sure it's the right thickness, not too thin, so it can hold 12 volts, is obviously one end will go to your battery, and on that end you can put a connector on for yourself. You can put a little V connector on so it goes in to the screw nice and tight, and obviously the other end connects to this, and I've shown you how to use these connectors and how to wire it together, and also how to use them, which are basically you heat up and it heat shrinks. They're called heat shrinks, and it tightens it up and makes it waterproof. So the great thing is then is once that's connected to the battery, that can go at the side of your bike at the length that you want it, and when you park up you can just connect it to the charger automatically. Makes life so simple. Connect it to the battery automatically and put it on trickle charge. It means that you don't have to lift the seat up, and you don't have to keep connecting battery chargers. It makes life so much easier, guys, just using one of these. I'm pretty sure that the TRKX comes standard with this. I'm not too sure. Maybe anybody with a TRXK X can put a comment in the notes, but certainly the TRK doesn't. So it's dead easy to do, dead easy to make. If for some reason your charger hasn't got any SAE connectors and it's just a simple charger, that being, it looks like that, okay. There's still a way around it. Under every charger you'll have a hole at the top to put a pin connector in, and again it's the same thing in that pin connector. Again, you can go on the internet and just put wire connectors and you'll find these sort of things, these little bullets. Dead simple, these little bullets, obviously red and blue, positive and negative, okay. So anyway, you just put a bullet on the ends of a positive and put that on there on the ends of the crocodile grip, pop it in, and then obviously at the other end you can put the SAE lead and then connect that to the bike. So it's dead easy to do, absolutely dead easy to do. So it's just a short video, guys, on trickle charging your batteries. I don't know if I've got a problem with my new battery. I've now put in a lithium battery, and if I don't have my bike on charge in 24 hours, my battery seems to go dead. Now I don't know if that's because of the lithium battery or because of all the accessories on the bike, whether it's taking the charge out of the battery. either way, I have to keep my bike when I'm not using it on a trickle charge. The other thing about using a lithium battery, you have to have a lithium battery charger, not an ordinary charger. So if you do buy a lithium battery, make sure that your battery charger is compatible to charge a battery that's a lithium battery. If not, again, go on the likes of eBay and so on, and you can find lithium charger chargers. Okay, so like I say, it's just a quick video to show you how to use an SAE lead and how to do it to your bike, tie it up to your bike onto the battery, so you're not having to remove the seat all the time to charge the battery. I hope this has been helpful. Okay, if you've got any questions, put them in the comments. As you know, I'll always get back to you. This is so guys, just to confirm, just as you can see, right, so you've got your SAE lead going from here live on earth directly to your battery. So you can make them yourself, the 2 leads. You can put pins on them if you want, or just tie them around the terminals, whichever works for you. And then obviously thread that through, because you can make it more personal now. You can add more cable, and then you can just add an SAE lead to it. And how you connect it is the way I've shown you. So this is my extension, this is the other SAE lead that I bought, so I got 2, and then my own wires, and then I've just tied the wires together and heat shrunk it like so, and I've shown you how to use the heat shrink, and heat shrink it like that so it's nice and tight. You get the heat shrink in with these guys, okay, they come with it, okay, and then you follow it through to your crocodile clips, and as you can see, all I've done is put them pin heads in the end, and it's charging. It's all charging perfectly. It's fully charged at the moment, so it's saying off, but that's how easy it is to make it into a trickle charger, to make life a lot easier. Right, so this is Benelli Tom. I hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, do the thing, look after each other, stay safe, stay upright. God bless. Bye for now.